Hello guys, today we are at Fortunato building in JVC. Here we are going to show you a duplex apartment here and we will show you the amenities here. Let's go to Fortunato. Okay, this is the apartment and this floor there is the kitchen, this is the open kitchen and there is the laundry room for the washing machine and the clothes. It has guest washroom as well. I will show you the guest washroom. The size of the apartment is 1134 square feet and it has a big terrace and directly pool facing. Let me show you. There's the pool. Okay, let's go to the first floor. Okay, this is the room here, and if you want to close, then you can convert it to like you can make the walls here. It doesn't make like big cost, and there is another attached bathroom here. Okay, these are the wardrobes. This is the apartment and the building has the amenities, the pool and the gym is also there, and the building is pets friendly and it's very close to the community mall, which is only one in JVC, that's the Circle Mall. It's on walking distance and the parks are very close and there are many restaurants. And the price of the apartment, if you are interested, the price is 750,000. The number is given on the screen. You can contact us anytime. Thank you so much.